is not just a story to tell, it is a story to change. Not only have the victims lost all their properties, but their loved ones too. It is a storm. We were there delivering the little flood to the victims, and we get to experience the storm ourselves as the road cuts off, leading us to sleep on the edge of the cliff, not knowing when we're gonna cross the other side. It is a hopeless life that our friends in the Lower Shire are living. We can be a little light to them in such a dark sorrow, as we give cheerfully the little that we have. Remember, what changes the world is one act of random kindness at a time. Save a life today.